Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable grayscale screen on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, you can go down and tap on accessibility. Then in here, tap on visibility enhancements. And then go down and tap on color adjustment. At the top here, you can tap on the switch to turn it on or off. If it is switch on, you can see in the list here, you can tap on grayscale. You choose grayscale black and white, or you can choose other different color. You can also personalize your own color. But if you want to have your screen, you go to grayscale, you choose that, or you can simply tap on the switch to turn it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.